Hey guys, it's Bruce here again from Kai's Clan, and in today's lesson we got a really exciting thing. We're going to be designing in Minecraft or Tinkercad and creating robot avatars. So when we move around the characters and on Kai's Clan mat, you're going to see them moving around in the virtual world. Let's get started. Okay, so now what we need to do is in Minecraft, we're going to use a structure block to export a 3D design. And in this case, this wagon. So to do that, what you need to do is change modes, go into creative, and operator. Right, so then we need to then go command line give at p structure underscore block 1 space 0, press enter. Now you get the structure block. Okay, so how this works is if I put down a block, you can see it creates like a wireframe box around the object. Now this always faces a particular direction, so wherever you put one, it always faces the same way. So I want to get this wagon. So let's go around to the back of the wagon, zoom, and come down to the ground, and we're going to put a structure block there. Now you can see it's a small structure block, so I need to make it bigger. Come inside the block and right click. Now it gives you the coordinates, what you need to do. You can see there's a red line and a blue line and a green line. And this is called your gimbal. So the gimbal, the green is upwards. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase the height. Let's make that 20. And you can start seeing we're getting part of the back of the wagon now. The width is red. So we're going to make that, let's go about 40. Oh, that's the length. Okay, that's perfect actually. And then the width is going to be, I would say, probably about 15. Cool. So now you can see we've got the wagon. But when we're moving our robot avatar, we don't want the ground also in our 3D model. And Minecraft includes the ground by default. So we just change the offset to 0. Now you can see we don't have any ground. So that's all good. Give it a name, Wago. And scroll down to 3D export. Then we just give it a name, click save, and that's it for Minecraft. Really easy, and that's using Minecraft Education. So here we go with Tinkercad. Right, so Tinkercad's a great piece of software. It's really easy to use. You can do a whole lot of modifications on it. So it's really powerful. So what we're going to do is we're going to send this over to Kai's Clan. So just at the top right in Tinkercad, click send to, scroll down and click on Kai's Clan. Now we just wait for a little while and that should flick over. And this is going to load it into our system. So this takes a little while. Here we go. In this loader, you've got a couple of controls. You can use a keyboard if you like. You can flip them over, but it's really important when you're in Kai's Clan that your character is facing the front of the robot. So if you're driving the robot forwards, the character must also be facing forwards. So this white arrow here, well, we must make sure that he's facing that way. I can zoom in and out, and then once I'm happy, I click picture. 3, 2, 1, bingo! We've got Captain America. So this is going to take a couple of seconds again to send it through to Kai's Clan, but we can carry on. So all the students might be designing their own elements and creating a whole collaborative, really entertaining environment that they can all create their different characters and associate them. Okay, woohoo! We've got our Captain America come through. So we've got a little notification up here. So there's a new 3D model. Now, if a student's designed this, same thing in a teacher account, you get it. So there's Mr. America. So let's go Capto. We'll call him Capto. Now you've got a little green tick box to approve the 3D model. So if you're not sure of it or you don't like it, what the student's done, you can just delete it. On their side, they can't use the model until it's approved by the teacher. So really nice features in Kai's Clan. So let's approve it. Cool, that's approved now. Now we can use that in our lesson. So apart from creating virtual characters for our robots, our robot avatars, what you can also do is download your designs on Tinkercad and create them for the physical world. Like this little dragon here, designed in Tinkercad, 3D printed. You can just lay out paper QR markers just on the mats, move them around and enjoy a lesson like that. So that's all for now. Until next time, a big Kai 5 from me.